There is a very happy, looks like brown trout just munching on caddis. So I'm gonna tie on this little caddis pattern here, see if maybe I can get him to come up and eat mine. It's gonna be a really tough cast because it's right by the pillar and I've got all sorts of stuff behind me. Oh, got 5X tippet on. Don't dare get any closer. No, 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 no. Oh, sick. I could have ruined it. The one stick. Talk about falling apart under pressure. I completely blew it and now the fish is gone. There we go. Nice. Oh, he's off. Seriously, those fish are going nuts in there. Fish. There we go. Oh, that's one of the big ones. Oh no! Oh, that hurts. That was one of the large browns. Can you feel it? I can. There we go. Oh, he's came off again. Oh. Let's see if I can make this impossibly tough cast under the bridge here. There we go. Nice. Couldn't even see it. Oh. It's another really good fish. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Oh, yes, perseverance. Under the bridge. Look how pretty that fish is. That is a really good looking fish. Oh yeah. Yes, perseverance finally paid off. Oh, I could barely even see the fly because it was like around the corner and I just sort of saw a wake and I set it and there was a fish. Nice, finally got one in the net. There we go. Just a little sip. Just barely saw him break the surface. Another solid little brown. Very nice. Tree. All right, since the Caddisfly craziness is over, I'm just gonna throw this pink San Juan worm that I have right here. If you can see that or not. And very small Oros indicator. Probably 18 inches off the indicator. Gonna kind of throw it off the creek here. It's running in. See what happens. Just try not to put it in the tree. That would be nice. There we go. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, I love it when a plan comes together. Nice little brownie. Another one. Little guy. Nice. Nice little brown trout. So we can do a no-touch release. Nice. It is a fishing frenzy. Oh, look at that, a rainbow. Nice. See if I can do the underwater or under the bridge worm cast. Yep. That worked. Wow. Whoa, missed that one. What a spectacular 2 hours of fishing. Crazy though, the Caddisfly hatch was on and then like a switch, it was off. Thanks for joining me. Until the next time, fish on.